Ever noticed water dripping from your car's tailpipe? Is it a concern? Let's break it down into two key scenarios. Water from your tailpipe, normal or problem. In cold starts or short trips, gasoline combustion produces water vapor. This hot vapor moves through cooler exhaust pipes, condensing into clear, odorless water. Look at this real drip footage. It's normal. A catalytic converter also produces extra water during emissions cleanup. Together, these create harmless drips, especially early on. Remember these points. Cold start or short drive causes clear, odorless water. Dripping stops after 15 to 20 minutes of warm-up. No action needed. Just drive until everything reaches operating temperature. It's completely normal as long as it's just water. In rare cases, you might be burning coolant. A blown head gasket, cracked cylinder head, or damaged piston rings causes this. It creates excessive water and thick white steam from the exhaust. Watch for these warning signs: persistent dripping, thick white steam, and a sweet smell. Also, check for milky oil under the cap and coolant level drops. If coolant enters a cylinder, it often causes steam, visible from the exhaust. If you notice these signs, don't wait. Get your cooling system or head gasket checked by a technician. To recap, Scenario 1 equals normal condensation, no worries. Scenario 2 means a serious coolant issue, get it fixed. Drop it in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more daily auto tips.